Hello everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video we will be talking about how to permanently delete a Google account. Okay, so mostly you make 2 or 3 Google accounts in your mobile. So if you want to delete one of that account, then be with me and at the end I will show you how to delete one of the account in your mobile. So without wasting your time, let's start our video. For doing so, first of all just open Gmail from your mobile and go to this 3 lines option. Now just scroll down and go to settings. You can see that I have added 2 email accounts, so you have to select that account which you want to delete. So I will open this account. Now from here just click on this 3 dots option and click on manage accounts. After that you have to click on continue. You will be directed to settings in your mobile. At the bottom you are seeing Google settings. Just click on this Google. Now this is our Google settings. After that you have to click on this Google account info, security and personalization. Now at the top you can see personal info, data and personalization. So you have to click on this data and personalization. Scroll down. There are 2 options as we are deleting our account, so we will click on delete your Google account. After that here you have to enter your password. So just enter your password and click on next. Now your account is completely deleted. I hope that you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.